Assalamu alaikum. I am Tariq Abid Bhatti from class BACS 2K17. I am here for present my presentation about compiler constructions. Course outline: Introduction to compiler constructions, type of works, type of checking, programming language, translators. A compiler implements a formal transformation for a high-level source program to low-level target program. Compiler decision can define an end-to-end solution directly defined subsets to interface with the compilation tools, processors, assemblies, linking, designing requirement including regularly define the reference but entirely between compiler compounds of experimentally between supplying tools. In the early days of the taking compiler decision was directly referred by the compulsory of the computer language to the process to the executions of the person designing it, and the resource limitations led to the need to pass through the source code more than one. A compiler for the relatively simple language written by one person might be a single monolithic piece of software. Hardware is the source language in the compulsory. The designing may are split into the number of the independent physics. Separate physics provide the designing implements that focus the deployment on the functions in the compiler process. Type of bugs, errors. The programmer should know the fact of their very less change that programs will be run perfectly in the first time. It does matter how to realize the designing in the done, how much care to taken while the coding, and they cannot say that the carries would error free, so the programmer has make effort to take the rectify and kind of the errors that are present in the program. But before dating removing errors, it is much more necessary that a programmer should know about the type of errors in the program. The type of errors in program. The type of error classified into the four categories. There are 1. Syntax error, 2. Logical error, 3. Runtime error, 4. Latin error. Runtime errors. Runtime errors are the error that occur during the execution of the program. Some examples are dividing by zero error, insufficient memory for the dynamic memory allocation, referring and out of the range alignment. There are not dictated by compiler which compilation process a program which kind of the error will run the product sequence results may case termination of program. Detection and removal of runtime error is a difficult task. Runtime error. Runtime error are the error that occur during the execution of the program. Same example are dividing by zero error, issue insufficient memory for the dynamic memory allocation, referring at the out of range array, implement of not declared by the compiler which compilation process of program which these kinds of error will run, but production Request results may case international of program declaration and removable and run the time error is a difficult task. Syntax error. Syntax error. An evaluation of rule the poor understanding of the programming language results in the syntax error. The compiler can decide the such of error of syntax errors are the present the program. They can complain on the program fails is the tendency after the showing the list of errors in the line where we error have occurred. In the same cases the line number may not exactly indicate the correct place of the error. In some other cases a single syntax error can result in a long list of errors. Correction of one or two errors in the program may remove the interlinked list of errors. Logical errors. As the number of itself implies their errors are related to the logic of the program. Logical errors and also not deleted by compiler and case incorrect results. Their errors occur due to incorrect transmissions of algorithm into the program, poor understanding of the problem, and the lack of clarity of virtually of operates coincide following statements. If A equal B, printf equivalent. When A and B are flat type value, they really become equal due to transmission error. Plant call may not be executed at the A assignment. Likewise, A equal B might create an infinite loop. Latent error. Latent error are hidden error that occur only when a particular set of data is used to coincide below the example. Result A plus B C minus D. An error execution when A are equal because that will make remainder 0 divided by error. Such error can be detected on by using all possible constructions of data. Type checking. Type checking. Type checking and type conversation. Type checking means checking the each operations should receive the proper number of arguments of the proper data type, like A equal B, J plus D, and are the basically int and float data type based operation. And if any variable in this A equal B, I plus D is of the other than int and float, then compiler will generate type error. Type A type is a set of values together with a set of operations that can be performed on them. The purpose of time checking is to verify that operations performed on a value are the fact possible. The type of identifier of the typical available from the declarations, but we may have a keep track of the type intermediate expressions. Two ways of type checking. One, dynamic type checking. Two, static type checking. Dynamic type checking, it is done at runtime. It uses concepts of type check which is stored in the each data objects. Then date includes the data type of object. For example, an integer date object contains in type and value are taboo, so operation only the performed after type checking a sequence in which type take each requirements in checked. If the type are not correct, then error will be generated. Perl and Prolog follow basically dynamic type checking because data type of variable a plus b is this care may be checked during program execution, so date type checking must be done at runtime. Static type checking. Static type checking is done at complete time. Information needed at the compiler time is provided by discretion by language structure. The information required includes one for each operations, the number, order, and type of its arguments, two for each variable, the name of data type of data object, example a plus b. In this type of a plus b, variable must not be changed for each content, number and data type and value. Consist into x to 8 consist float x equal to dot 087. In the data type, the value and name is specified, and in future, if checked, value assigned should match to this data type. Programming language translators. A translator is a programming language processor that converts a computer program from one language to any other. It takes a program written in source code and converts into machine code. It discovers and defines the error during translation purpose of translator. It translates high-level language program into a machine's language program that the central processor unit CPU can understand. It is also detects errors in the program. Type of translator. There are different types of translators as follow: compiler, interpreter, assembler. Compiler. A compiler is a translator used to convert high-level program language to low-level programming language. It converts the whole program in the one session and reports error decided after conversion. Compiler takes time to do its work as it translates high-level code to low-level code, all one of them serves into memory. A compiler is a processor independent to platform depends, but it has been addressed by the special compiler, a cross compiler and a source-to-source compiler. Before the choosing a compiler, users has to identify first the instruction set articulars ISA, the operation system OS, and the programming language that will be used to ensure that it will be compatible. Interpreter. Just like a compiler is a translator used to convert high-level programming language to low-level programming language. It converts the program one at a time and reports error detected at the one while doing the conversation. With this, it is easier to detect error than in compiler. An interpreter is faster than a compiler. It immediately executes the code upon the reading the code. It is often used debugging tools for the software developing as it can execute a single line of code at the time, and the interpreter is also more portable than a compiler as it not processor depend. You can work between hardware architects. Assembler. An assembler is a translator used to translate assembly language to machine language. It is a like compiler for the assembly language but interview like an interpreter. Assembly language is a different to understand as it low level programming language as assembler translators a low level language as assembly language an event lower type level language which is the machine code. The machine code can be directly understood by the CPU. Thank you.